Ini long kijeng penberang kibedai batu COVID-19 mentah kesini ap santarik benai September 2020 kikis ki batamai ng iyo mentah kesini kilong prapo ngodi pada kini prapo iway depo napo East Java Hills South Sun kide napo East Khasi Hills South South kide naki iway but iway kide naki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces North Garo Hills Khandai Ridhoi R Southwest Garo Hills R West Garo Hills R4 Phra kide naki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but R kide naki iway West Java Hills iway ki active case ki baro gelum lang kilong Sihajar Nyuspa Nyufua pada kini Sihajar Sispa Knife Fra kidei napo East Khasi Hills but Sispa Arho kidei naki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces Sihajar Nyufra naki wei West Khasi Hills Khandai Southwest Khasi Hills Lai Ribhoi Sispa Lai Khandai Arfundri kidei naki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but Sispa Khandai kidei naki wei West Java Hills Phra East Java Hills Aspa Nyufusa West Garo Hills Khandai Pusan South Fulai kidei naki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but Sanfu R kidei naki wei Southwest Garo Hills Khatsao South Garo Hills Lai East Garo Hills Nyo North Garo Hills R4R kibaran kawa mentah kesini gilang baro Aspa Prapusan pada kini R kidei po East Java Hills Aspa Safu R kidei po East Khasi Hills Arfulai kidei ki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but Aspa Khandai naki wei Lai kidei na North Garo Hills Arfuai na po Ridhoi pada kini ki Arfuai Sun kidei ki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but Khandrel kidei naki wei South Garo Hills R Southwest Khasi Hills R West Garo Hills Ho but nakini wei de naki wei but Khandai naki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but West Java Hills Lai baro kibala kabar mentah kesini gelum lang baro kilong Lai Hajar Lai Spa Saufulai but kibal flat no ado mentah kilong Saufulai Greg bungi pates baro gelum lang ado mentah kesini ado arba jemin sini kilong Silap Safuai Hajar Aspa Lai Punyo but kibalong negative nang ni kilong Silap Lai Punyo Hajar Nyo Kundai kibri kibarong sapo kajala kajungi hadu arji mensi mentah kesini kilong Safu Hajar Sanspa Nyo Kulai Apo East Khasi Hills kita South Pusan wot, pada kini South Pusan, Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces iway, ki high risk case kita life iway, returning iway, IGP cluster iway, Laban cluster R, Oakland Road cluster R, Relbang cluster R, Norman South cluster Lai, Golfling cluster iway, but Rajwawan cluster iway. West Garo Hills R4 Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces Phra High Risk R North Garo Hills Khandai baro kidei High Risk Ribhoi R High Risk iway returning iway Southwest Garo Hills R High Risk iway returning iway West Java Hills iway they returning but East Java Hills iway kidei High Risk case